In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up free OTP login for Woocommerce. If you're looking for a way to make your Woocommerce store more secure and user-friendly, adding OTP login can be a game changer. By implementing one-time password verification, you can protect your customers' accounts and ensure that only authorized users can access them. The process might seem a bit technical, but don't worry. I'll walk you through each step in detail so you can have this up and running in no time. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is install and activate the Woocommerce plugin. This is the core plugin that powers your online store. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. From there, click on Add New. In the search bar, type Woocommerce and hit Enter. Once you see the official Woocommerce plugin by Automatic, go ahead and click Install Now. After the installation is complete, you'll see an option to activate the plugin. Click Activate to enable Woocommerce on your site. With Woocommerce activated, you'll be taken to the Setup Wizard. This is where you'll configure the essential details for your store. You'll be asked to provide information like your store's location, the currency you want to use, and the types of products you'll be selling, whether they're physical goods, digital products, or a mix of both. It's important to complete this step carefully, as these settings will define how your store operates. Once you finish the Setup Wizard, make sure the Woocommerce dashboard is fully enabled so you can access all the tools and settings. Next, it's time to verify your Woocommerce settings to ensure everything is configured properly. From the WordPress sidebar, locate and click on Woocommerce. Here, you'll see options for payments, shipping, and accounts and privacy settings. Take a moment to review each section and make any necessary adjustments. For example, you can set up your preferred payment methods, configure shipping zones, and define how customer accounts are handled. This step ensures your store is ready for customers. Now that Woocommerce is set up, the next step is to install and activate the miniOrange OTP verification plugin. This is the tool that will allow you to add one-time password verification to your Woocommerce login form. Just like before, go to the Plugins section, click Add New, and search for miniOrange OTP verification. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now and then activate it. Once the plugin is active, you'll need to enable OTP verification for the Woocommerce login form. To do this, find OTP verification in the WordPress sidebar and click on it. Navigate to the Forms section, where you'll see a list of supported forms. Look for Woocommerce login form and check the box to enable OTP verification for that form. Then select phone verification as the verification method. Don't forget to click Save Settings to apply these changes. With the form set up, the next step is to configure the OTP Gateway. This is the service that will handle sending the OTP to your users. In the miniOrange plugin settings, go to the OTP Settings tab here. You'll see options to choose an SMS gateway provider. Popular choices include Twilio, Firebase, or the miniOrange Gateway. Select the provider you want to use and enter the required credentials. For example, if you're using Twilio, you'll need your account SID, auth token, and a phone number. After entering these details, click Save Settings. Finally, it's time to test the OTP configuration to make sure everything is working correctly. Open your Woocommerce login page in an incognito window, as this will simulate the experience of a new user. Try logging in with a registered account. If everything is set up correctly, the system will send an OTP to the registered phone number. Enter the OTP to complete the login process and confirm that it's working smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully set up free OTP login for Woocommerce. By following these steps, you've added an extra layer of security to your store and made the login process more reliable for your customers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.